The S&P 500 closed higher Monday, supported by tech as stocks kicked off the second half of the year ahead of a crucial monthly jobs report due later this week. U.S. manufacturing activity unexpectedly fell further into contraction territory in June, with a reading of 48.5, below estimates of 49.2. U.S. construction spending unexpectedly fell in May as higher mortgage rates depressed single-family homebuilding, and recovery is likely to be muted by improving housing supply. German inflation fell more than expected in June, resuming its downward trend after 2 consecutive months of increases. British manufacturing activity growth slowed last month from May's 22-month high as ongoing disruption to shipping in the Red Sea contributed to lower demand from overseas customers. The Indian government has raised the windfall tax on petroleum crude to 6,000 rupees per metric ton from 3,250 rupees, with effect from 2nd July. The HSBC India manufacturing PMI rose to 58.3 in June compared with 57.5 in the previous month, as domestic demand helped push new orders. The GST collections in June continue to maintain the momentum at 1.74 lakh rupees crore. Annually, June collections represent an approximate 8% growth from the corresponding period last year, indicating a slowdown in the pace of collections seen. Recovering losses from the last session, Nifty settled at record closing high on 1st July on the first day of the week-month quarter. At close, Nifty was up 0.55% or 131.4 points at 24,141.9. Nifty closed at another record high on 1st July. It almost engulfed the negative candle made on the previous day. The Nifty could soon breach the previous day's high of 24,174 and head towards 24,380. The level of 23,889 could provide support in the near term.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.